Professor Sato. I hope you're doing well and enjoying your retirement party. Dr. Aishima has asked me to say a few words commemorating your retirement from Kwansei Gakuin University. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to interact with you in a variety of ways. Our first writing projects involved cases that we wrote together when you were a visiting professor at the Darden Business School. Since then, we've worked together on a number of papers, including several that we wrote when you were a visiting professor at the University of Missouri, Kansas City. I have especially fond memories of working together with you to develop a model of dual value creation, which was based on an analysis of the interactions between hosts and guests in elite restaurants that specialize in cuisine inspired by the Japanese tea ceremony. In addition to collaborating with me on writing projects, you've hosted me on many visits to Japan, including an extended stay in 1995. You have also invited me to speak to many of your students and a number of Japanese executives. Often there was time for some leisure activities, such as dining at a variety of wonderful Japanese restaurants, as well as visiting museums, historical sites, department stores, and bookstores. Sometimes we even had time for a book off Junrei. During my time at the Darden Business School, I became convinced that the fundamental job of a scholarly academic was to help those in business make better decisions. In my experience, you are a vibrant example of what it means to put this philosophy into practice. Many of your cases have been written to help students and managers apply theories from the marketing and strategy literatures to real-world marketing problems. Moreover, I've witnessed firsthand your dedication to the success of both your university students and the executives with whom you work. From a research perspective, your papers and books have wrestled with the challenges of adapting theory developed in Western cultures to strategic decision-making in Japanese companies. In addition, you've also explored the ways in which the contemporary behavior of Japanese consumers are influenced by Japanese cultural values and practices from long ago. In both your research and your teaching, you exemplify what it means to help those in business make better decisions. On a personal note, I feel very honored to have had many opportunities to spend time with you over the years. I have learned much from you about Japan, its culture, and its business practices. In my opinion, you model what it means to be a good colleague and a good person. I'd like to think that as a result of our interactions, I've become a better person. I'm happy to count you as a good friend. In closing, I'm glad to know that today's ceremony does not signify the end of your teaching and research career. Instead, it marks the beginning of a new stage in your career. I look forward to seeing the new opportunities and new possibilities that emerge for you in the coming years. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. I hope you enjoy the rest of your